So I'm just gonna use a butter knife to cut this plantain. This is a ripe plantain. I'm just gonna fry it up, cut it, and fry it up in the frying pan. Show you guys how I fry it up. In this video, I'm just frying one plantain. Heat your oil up for about 3 minutes. Place your plantain in your frying pan. Once lightly cooked, flip and take off. It should take about 3 minutes in total to cook this amount of plantain. So I just turned it, so I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want it to burn. Plantain doesn't take long to cook. Literally, this takes less than 5 minutes to cook. I just put it in and it's already done. 5 minutes the most to fry this. Yeah, it's done. I'm gonna put it on the plate so you guys can see what it looks like. This is it. Just to show you guys that the bottom is cooked as well. The side I just flip it like for like a second. I'll show you guys when I get done putting all the plantain on. So this is what the plantain look like. So I just blended 1 bag of spinach. I'm gonna use 2 bags, two 10 ounces of bag of spinach, and I'm just gonna blend it in the blender. You can blend it in your blender or in a food processor. A very old blender, but it works fine. It was given to me. Works really good. It was actually passed on to us. Yeah. So I'm gonna use 1/4 of a cup of oat milk, original oat milk, and I'm gonna pour it into here so it could blend. The first bag I blended in just water. I'm just gonna use just 1/4 cup of oat milk in total to make this creamy spinach soup. So I use 1 can of coconut milk. It's a 13.5 flow ounce, so you can use a 14 flow ounces of coconut milk, can of coconut milk in here. So this is what I have, and the blended spinach. I'm making creamy spinach soup. Put 1 can of this, cream of celery, cream of mushroom in there. Some of my milk spilled, but it'll still taste good. So after adding your coconut milk, add your cream of mushroom and cream of celery, and then stir. After that, add your seasoning. Add 1/4 teaspoon of each parsley, tarragon, thyme, and Italian seasoning, and stir for about 5 minutes. This is all done, and it's delicious. This is it. Creamy spinach soup. I like it. It's delicious. So I'm gonna have some of these with some avocado and fried plantain. I like my season. I got all my seasoning here. Got one on each side. All my seasoning here. So this is the avocado peel. I just took some bad spot out of it, but yeah, this is it. It's good. This is our dinner. Some creamy spinach soup, half an avocado. This is a large avocado, so we're having half of it each. And then fried plantain. I ate some earlier, but yeah, this is what we're having for our dinner. Something light and filling. Thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.